Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ottawa, or 9 miles southwest of Wales, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pewaukee, Parkland, Delafield, Wales, Oconomowoc, Ottawa, Dowson, North Prairie, Palmyra, Rome, Eagle, Nashotah, Waterville, Sullivan, Oconomowoc Lake, Summit, Genesee Depot, Latham Peak St. Park, and National Weather Service Milwaukee Sullivan. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio.